Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your crypto records to Dropbox with encryption. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Dropbox website. Log into your Dropbox account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, locate the Upload button on the main interface. Click on the Upload button. Choose the files containing your crypto records from your device. Before uploading, ensure your records are organized and clearly labeled. Next, download and install encryption software, such as Veracrypt or Xcrypt. Launch the encryption software after installation. Select the option to create an encrypted container. Follow the prompts to set a strong password for your encrypted container. Make sure to choose a sufficiently complex password, including letters, numbers, and symbols. Once the container is created, navigate to the folder where your crypto records are stored. Drag and drop your crypto records into the encrypted container. Close the container once all files are added. Now go back to your Dropbox account. Click on the Upload button again. This time, select the encrypted container file you just created. Wait for the upload process to complete. To ensure security, consider deleting the original unencrypted files from your device. Regularly check and update your crypto records as needed. Repeat the encryption and upload process whenever you add new records. Make sure to store your password securely, as losing it may result in losing access to your records. Finally, review your Dropbox account periodically to ensure your records remain safe and accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.